Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Here is our page. This is the page link. You can see how long it is. Now go to about tab. Here we can change our page link. Enter minimum 6 unique characters. Here is username available, green sign. Now click at create username, and then here is the problem. Now you are going to fix the issue. So guys, let's fix it. Just follow the instruction. Now we have to add an admin. So go to settings and click on page roles. And then here you enter your friend or your another account name. Invite as admin. Go to your another account or your friend account, accept the request and go to the page where we left. Here is the about page. Now enter again minimum 6 unique characters. Now click at create username. Within 5 minutes you can see your page link is changed. The username you entered has been created for clear vision. Okay, it's take just few minutes. Okay, wait for the change. Now reload the page. facebook.com/username. Boom, you can see it's working. Okay, your username is changed. See you soon guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Allah Hafiz.